Press mode switch to enter the setting mode, and the LED screen will display set. Press the menu button, the LED screen displays CLR, press the Hot A button and the equipment will start automatic cleaning function. The equipment will let the water out of each pipe for 6 seconds to clean the pipe. Therefore, a large container should be placed at the outlet of the drink before implementation to catch the water for cleaning. Press the menu button again, and the LED screen displays H90. The highest temperature of hot water can be set, and the temperature value can be modified by or dash button. Press the menu button again, and L80 will appear on the LED screen. You can set the lowest temperature of hot water and modify the temperature value by or dash button. The maximum temperature of hot water should not exceed 95 degrees Celsius, and the temperature difference between the highest and lowest temperature should be greater than or equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Press the menu button again, and the LED screen displays C10. The maximum temperature of cold water can be set. Press the menu button again, and the LED screen displays E05. The lowest temperature of cold water can be set. Press the menu button again, and CP0 will appear on the LED screen. You can set the way of cup dropping, and there are only 2 ways of cup dropping. CP0 stands for automatic cup dropping, and CP1 stands for takeaway drinking cup, which can be modified by or dash. Press the menu button again, and the LED screen displays cup, which can detect the drop cup function. Press the Hot A button and the device will automatically drop a water cup. Press the menu button again, and the LED screen displays CHE, which can carry out full function detection. Press the Hot A button and the device will test and self-test various functions. Before this operation, a large capacity container needs to be placed at the beverage outlet. Finally, press the mode switch button again to save the setting and exit the setting mode.